So I lucked out just the other day over the weekend, and I managed to get the last night vision goggle I needed for this guy out of the War Machine mission box. Actually, is where it came from. So that is really excellent, and I am full up with food again. I was gonna leave it a few more days and get some more blue feeders going, but it's just crazy. I keep filling up with food. I don't even know what to do with it all anymore. So we're gonna do this and promote him and see how far I can get power leveling him. Alright. It's gonna take me forever to get another 6 for this guy. But that's okay. Alright, so I already took a few blue feeders out of this one is running the blue ones. And I'm gonna take some of these tickets that I have. Just give me a few more to be able to keep going. Well, not if I get weapons. Of course it's gonna give me weapons. You would. Well, there's a blue feeder. I like that. So I am gonna skittle feed him a little bit because I do have colors, all colors of the rainbow sitting in my roster right now. Okay, so here goes. Hey, I can put his... Yeah, that's a good idea. Get him up to 7. 280 plus 5. Now I gotta wait on more epic skill books, but that's okay. I'm always waiting on those, it seems. Alright, let's go, buddy. Need to get you leveled up. I'm so glad to have another buff dispeller, too. That is really excellent. So I've been running blue feeders and haven't touched any since I got my training school switched over. So it's been running for, I don't know, a week anyway, just over a week. It was last Sunday I think I did the power leveling for Calamity, so I got a week's worth of feeders anyway. This should get me quite a few levels on them. I don't think I'm gonna make it to 100 though, but alright, let's grab some more of these. I do need the weapons parts too, so it's good to get some weapons as well. Speaking of which, I'm gonna run out of room, so I may as well disassemble some of these. Oop, I didn't mean to close out of that. I have a nasty habit of doing that though. Instead of switching back and forth with the tab, I close out all the time. Oops. Alright, another 42 feeders. Gone. I don't have a heck of a lot of buff dispellers, honestly, so that's quite a good bonus. It's annoying to go up against some of the ones that do defense up and attack up and stuff, and then you don't have a buff dispeller to get rid of it. Oh, out of feeders already. Okay. So I'm not going to get too far with him. But he is definitely usable now, which is awesome. I have used him a few times before. The 5 stars are decent. They can take a hit or two, but you really do need that last promotion to get them their extra defense and their extra attack and just extra health, right? They are a bit of an easier takeout for sure when they haven't had their last promo. Alright. Oh, I'm out of food anyway. Well, there you go. Doesn't take long to drain it, but see, that was like 500k worth of food. So they do provide what you need once you get your farms up there, that's for sure. Which is good. Alright. So I'm not going to be able to take them too much farther then. And that's okay. Dakota. Oh well, at least I'm getting lots of weapons parts. Sawed-off shotgun, alright. Well, let's finish off him where I can get him to anyway. I think it was worth it because I can probably use him in war and that coming up. Jump him one more level. Yep, to 49. Okay, so for in a few minutes I had him from 1 to 49 on tier 5. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to keep running these feeders. I'll pop a few more in here. Get it up to 100 there. And yeah, so it won't take me too long to finish him, which is good. Alright, so I'm starting to run out of space badly here with my weapons. I can only farm for a few minutes and it fills right up, so it's rather annoying, so I'm going to get rid of some of these weapons now. So I took some of the fully leveled 3 stars that I had out of my favorites, because now that I have a variety with some of the master weapons, so you can see the master weapons here. But now that I have some variety, I am using these more for the challenge events and that sort of thing. And so I am going to disassemble some of the regular ones even though they are fully leveled. And free myself up some room, and I really need weapons parts anyway, and I can get 4-star weapons parts, which most of my colors with the 4-star weapon parts are lacking, to say the least. Yellow for sure. I don't have too many of the blue either. 4-star weapon parts, so I just want to disassemble some of these, but I am going to do them one at a time just because I want to see what you get. Yes, I know. Continue. See, 3 and 3. Yeah, that wasn't a really good disassembly. I think probably the 4-star ones that I disassembled the other day. It's probably where you're gonna manage to land most of the 4-star parts. Oh, there you go. I got 2 scopes out of that one. Alright, that's good. Okay, which one's next? Berserk. Yeah, I find myself that I'm not using them, even for the master weapons event at this point, too, because they have so many, which is not a complaint by any means. But there's no point in having them sit in my roster taking up space, either. Three and three. That's okay. Boy, that first disassembly was kind of crappy, wasn't it? Get these other ones going, and that first one was cheap. Oh, good. 2 suppressors. Okay. Yeah, definitely wanted to see those. I got you. Good. 2 red dot sights. That's beautiful. And I think that might have been it. Yep. Alright. So, let's get you disassembled because I need some more suppressors. And let's do the duplicates. And then I'll keep the other ones just for in case. That's a 2. I can do that one as well. Just in case I get something soon that I do want to level, I'll have the 3-star weapons to put into it. Alright. Aha! 5-star weapon part. I'm sure that probably came from the craft weapon. No doubt. 3 suppressors though. Good. Happy to see those. Oh, I'm definitely happy to see those magazines. I'm lacking the parts for reds as well. 2 red dot sights. Pretty sweet. Alright, that was good. That was really good. So, yeah, I mean, if you find that you're not using them like I am, I think it's worth it to disassemble them. Yes, it took food, and I'm not going to get that back, but your farms produce enough to cover for you anyway. So I'll never see the food back, but that's okay, especially when I need the weapons pieces. Let's see how far I can get this guy. 3 more, which is really good. And check off. Oh, I got 8 in here. Well, that's fantastic. Well, that one's almost done. Sweet! 7 more levels and this one will be done anyway. That is great. Okay. So, I don't know, it's worth it to get them, now that I finally got some 5-stars, to get them fully leveled would be awesome. Really awesome to see. Especially because I'm coming up to a couple of years of playing too, and it's getting old not having a 5-star green gun, but whenever I do finally get one, I should have lots of pieces for it. Yeah, 75. That'll take me right. That's 50. That'll be fully leveled as long as I have the 4-star pieces, and I got 70 of those, so yeah. If I ever manage, well, when I manage, I should say, to get a 5-star green, I will definitely be power leveling that one. And I didn't do any master weapons pulls this time. I never did actually pull a 3-star hero or weapon with a regular ticket, even though I tried over the weekend, and I never did have one pop out off a regular ticket, so I just left it. But that's okay. I won some more master weapons coins for next time, so I got some extra pulls, half a dozen extra pulls I think it was, from the coins that I won over the event. So, oh, a scrum. Hey, crit. This is only the second one of these I've ever pulled. Okay. Well, I'll hang on to that one for the time being. Okay, guys. So that was just, yeah, quick little power leveling video with Pantera there, and yeah, some more disassembly of fully leveled weapons. I wanted to get it on video just to see, kind of document what it does give you, so I know for the future too. So anyway, short and sweet, and I will see you all for War Wednesday. Take care.